Long before, one student came to me and said, "Sir, what is the meaning of budget?" Budget. I was like, budget. I couldn't find exactly what he wanted to ask. Then I said, "Okay, could you please tell me the spelling?" He wrote the spelling and he said, "This is the spelling," and he wrote budget. This is not budget, this is budget. And this might happen, to anyone. किसी के साथ भी हो सकता है. If you do not know some letters जो कहाँ पे वो silent होते हैं, then you also can be the cause of laughter. So to avoid such mistakes, आपको पता होना चाहिए कि कुछ words में there are some letters which are silent. So these words I am going to talk about. कुछ ऐसे words जिसमें वो जो letters होते हैं वो silent होते हैं, and they are very important क्योंकि बोलते time you should know the correct way of speaking those words. तो चलिए उनको कुछ सीख लेते हैं. Let's begin. So this is the first one, and this is called what? This is called handsome. You are looking handsome? No, this is not handsome. This is called handsome. D is silent in this. D को आप नहीं बोलेंगे. We will call it handsome. Hey, you are looking handsome, not handsome. Second word हमारा है this. आप इसको subtle तो नहीं बोलते. If you say this like that, तो आप गलत बोल रहे हैं. This is not subtle. This is called subtle. Subtle का मतलब होता है बहुत सूक्ष्म, minute, बहुत ही छोटा सा. That is called subtle. There is a subtle difference between both dresses. इन दोनों ड्रेस में बस थोड़ा सा ही बहुत ही मामूली सा अंतर है. This is called subtle. तो handsome, subtle. Remember that. In the morning, do you take sandwich? No, this is not sandwich. If you are calling it sandwich, this is wrong. So we call it sandwich. Again, D is silent here. We do not call it sandwich. We call it sandwich. Remember that. Next is, I have only 1 hour. कुछ को लोग कहते हैं 1 hour or one, like something like that. So this is called 1 hour. I have 1 hour. So this HOUR is not called hour or something like that. We call it 1 hour. I have 1 hour. I have 2 hours. Do you have some hours for me? Could you please answer my question? Answer. Do you also call it answer? No, that is wrong. Answer नहीं होता है. इसमें जो होता है ANSWER. W को नहीं बोल रहे हैं. We are call it answer, not answer. Answer. Could you please answer my question? Answer my question, not answer my question. Next is, this is what? क्या? Castle, castle? No. This is called castle. Castle का मतलब होता है this fort, महल जो किला होता है. This is called castle. तो castle का मतलब होता है किला. और do not call it castle or whatever anything else. Castle. एक इस पे बहुत अच्छी एक idiom भी है. Castles, to build castles in the air. हवाई किले बनाना. ठीक है. To build castles in the air. You are building castles in the air. अगर आप सोचते रहते हैं करते कुछ नहीं है, so you are just building castles in the air. आप हवाई किले बना रहे हैं. रियलिटी में आप कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं. Tiger Shroff did the debut from the movie Heropanti. Debut, that is absolutely incorrect. Never call it debut. This is called debut. T is silent here. Debut means to start. To begin, start करना काम. Like his first movie was Heropanti, so we will say that his debut movie was Heropanti. Next one we have is receipt. No. बहुत सारे लोग हैं. There are so many people they call it wrong. कि मुझे हाँ जी मेरी like मुझे दे दो मेरी receipt. Receipt नहीं होता. This is called receipt. Receipt, not receipt. So we will call it receipt. Could you please give me my receipt? Yes. थोड़ा सा अनकॉमन लगेगा इन द बिगिनिंग, लाइक अरे ऐसा तो कोई नहीं बोलता है, बट दिस इज द करेक्ट वे ऑफ स्पीकिंग. सो रिसीट, नॉट रिसिप्ट. हमारे यहाँ इसको क्या बोलते हैं पता है? वैसे तो इसको कुछ लोग बोल सकते हैं बॉम्ब, बट बॉम्ब नहीं होता. दिस इज कॉल्ड बॉम्ब. इसमें जो बी होता है द लास्ट वन, दैट इज साइलेंट. सो दिस इज नॉट बॉम्ब. एम तक रुक जाएंगे. बॉम्ब. हमारे यहां तो हद ही हो जाती है. वी कॉल इट बम्ब. ज्यादा हद नहीं होगी. सो दिस इज नॉट bump or bomb. This is bomb. Normally what happens if it is B after M, it is always silent. Like exceptions are always there, but most of the time वो silent होते हैं. जैसे कि COMB com, TOMB tom, NUMB num, CLIMB climb. So M के बाद अक्सर जो B होता है, that is most of the time silent. So remember these words which I have just told you and do not mispronounce them. I hope you understand that. Thank you very much.